Understanding In Deep with Someone, a guide to English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, in deep with someone. This phrase can be a bit tricky to understand, especially for English language learners, so we're here to break it down for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it in conversation. When we say someone is in deep with someone, we're talking about a situation where a person is heavily involved or deeply immersed in a relationship or situation with another person. This involvement is often so intense that it might be difficult to get out of or could have significant consequences. The phrase can be used in various contexts, including personal relationships, financial dealings, or even in scenarios involving secrecy or legality. To help you understand this phrase better, let's look at some examples. 1. Personal relationships. After only 3 months of dating, Jenna found herself in deep with Alex, sharing secrets she hadn't told anyone else. 2. Financial situations. He borrowed so much money from them that he's now in deep with the loan sharks. 3. Legal or secretive contexts. She got in deep with a group that turned out to be involved in illegal activities, and now she's struggling to find a way out. These examples show that being in deep with someone can have a range of implications depending on the context. It's essential to understand these nuances to grasp the phrase's full meaning. Using in deep with someone in your conversations or writing can add depth and nuance, but it's important to use it appropriately. Here are some tips. Context is key. Make sure the situation you're describing involves a significant level of involvement or commitment. Convey the right tone. Depending on the context, this phrase can imply something negative or positive. Ensure your tone matches the situation you're describing. Pair with descriptive details. To make your use of the phrase more impactful, pair it with details that explain why the person is in deep. We hope this video has shed some light on the phrase, in deep with someone, and how you can use it effectively in English. It's a powerful phrase that can help convey depth of involvement and emotional investment in various situations. If you found this explanation helpful, please give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more English language tips. See you in the next video.